kahit medyo stop lang na mabilis kasi medyo alanganin ang weather natin, ay dating na ako dito, nakaabot ako, nalipay gyud ako na makaabot mo ngayon nga kuan nga umaga para maumpisahan yung paghatag ng aton ayuda itong AIX. Matagal na ito, nabigay na ako ng ilang milyon na rin dito sa Negros Oriental, pero kulang pa kay daghan talaga ang atong pobrehon nga sektor diri ha Negros. So kahit papano tulong-tulong, tabang-tabang na lang itong ayuda. So we are giving today 9,003,000 kada beneficiary, ang aton mga senior citizen, solo parent, PWD, yung mga natamaan ng mga magsasaka at saka fishermen kasi pangit naman yung weather masyado. So kahit paano tulong-tulong na lang, and I'm hopeful that we can also cover the other towns in the next few months.
So what other projects are you going to put in for next year, Senator?
Yes, because of the success of the blockbuster film Made in Malacanang, this is not government, this is personal. I want to revive the Nutriban. So siguro yung iba sa inyo nakita yung malaking tinapay nung nasa eskwela tayo nung time ng papa ko, and right now after the pandemic, there have been so many hungry and poor sector natin lumaki. So we can't allow our children to be deprived, and so we're going to be distributing the Nutriban. This is a feeding program of 120 days. It's protein enhanced, so it's not just a photo opportunity. So we will have to work on it here in Negros, where some towns have a very high level of malnutrition. Nahahabol yung timbang, yung bigat nila, at saka yung kanilang height, pero after 0 to 3 years old, hindi na mahabol yung brain development. Nagkakaroon ng brain stunting up to 30%. Yung utak ng bata hindi talaga lumalaki. So that's what we have to avoid, and that's what we try to reach at sana maagapan kaagad. So that's the next thing we're going to do. And also there's some help for agriculture. Our governor Roel is very apprised of the fishery situation, and I'm going to consult him together with the other mayors regarding agriculture and fisheries, because as we all know, we're a net importing country in fisheries, when in fact puro isla naman, and ang dami nating fisher folk. So hopefully we can get this together as soon as possible. I have still available Kadiwa grants for agriculture, and we will try to target the most needy municipalities as soon as possible.
Ma'am, how much is your budget for the Nutriban?
The Nutriban depends on how much I make. Di pa ako binayadan Wala pang bayad yung mga teatro. Pag binayaran na ako, di okay na. But for the meantime, whatever comes in goes out quickly. So, yeah. Pero nag-level up na, may Nutribus na. So, ikot-ikot para pakainin ng hindi lang Nutriban, kundi may mga lugaw, champurado. Everything is protein enhanced. That's the important part. It's not just ordinary bed. It's mabigat talaga kasi kailangan 10 to 13 grams of protein.
So you're talking about Kadiwa. Are you about to revive the Kadiwa centers?
Well, I'm very happy kasi I started the Kadiwa buying from the co-ops and then selling it point to point. Pero hopefully, I saw my brother, alam mo naman, I'm super ate, I saw my brother already beginning the Kadiwa. So, sumusunod naman pala sa akin.
Ang FNRI DOS is producing Nutriban also. Are you in coordination with them?
Yes, we're helping them. But you know, they're not bakers, they're scientists. So, nung umpisa, nag-aaway kami, kaya ayaw ng bata yung lasa, matiga. So, we're working on it. And now we have different flavors, depende sa lugar. So, like in Ilocos, maraming malunggay. Sa ibang lugar, maraming chocolate. So, okay. The kids also like the kamote and the squash. Nagsasawa kasi sila because always the same. And then other places like in Leyte, we're putting coconut because it's tiring also for the children eating every day the same thing. And also, it's much better if we buy locally. So we can establish a virtuous cycle with buying from the local farmers and co-ops and using that for the Nutriban.
The carrot flavor.
Okay naman, okay naman. Kaya lang ang carrots, as you know, in Benguet, hindi makatapat sa China. That's the problem. But yes, in Northern Luzon, we have a lot of different flavors because there's so many vegetables. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
I think I'm going to San Carlos, kaya lang the weather is kind of alanganin.
Kain muna.
Action! Balita!